Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia and today I'm going to be doing a review on this bad baby here. This is a facial cleansing brush. It's electric, so it's supposed to spin or whatever. So this is all the items that it comes with and the different colors. This brand, you can get it in different brands, but this brand is by Eco Bloom Spa. And I paid 40 I paid $4.99 for this. So it comes in pink, silver, and blue. It comes with a cosmetic sponge. So y'all see that right there. It comes with a cosmetic sponge, a soft brush, pumice massager latex brush, and yeah. So I've never used one of these before, but I always wanted one. So today we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna do half of the video here and then half in my bathroom. I hope y'all can see me good. Hopefully y'all can. It looks like this, and already has the brush on it, and then you have the sponge tip, and then you have another sponge tip, and this feels like a filer tip, but like, why would you want to do this to your skin? And then it's a massager. So yeah, very nice. So it does require batteries. I think it's two AA batteries. Yeah. So as for this, it has a medium, a high, and a low on it. And so to change them out, you just pull it off and then place it back on like that. Super easy to get the battery out. And I'm gonna make sure it's off. I'm gonna put the batteries in there. So, well, now that I have it working, I'm just going to go ahead and take off my makeup, and then I'll be in the bathroom in the next clip. Alright y'all, so I'm in my bathroom. Excuse my eye, y'all. I honestly don't know what's going on with it. This one, like right up in there, has been red for like the last 3 or 4 days. So I'm not sure what's going on with it. It's very irritated, but anyways, so I have my black soap, and what I like to do first is like wet my face and then put the black soap on. So I'm gonna use my rag, wet my face, and then put the black soap. Alright, so now, and I just get it in my hands like this and let it lather. We're gonna use our new tool, and I'm gonna wet this part of it. All right, so let's see how it works. All right, so now I'm gonna rinse this off my face. Alright, y'all, so this is how my face is looking. Nice. I've been using this black soap for a minute now, and I do notice my skin does look nicer. It's brightening up. Like, these dark spots are brightening up. So actually, sorry I'm whispering, but after I wash my face with the black soap, what I normally do is take some type of light moisture. Lately, I've been using petroleum jelly. I've been using petroleum jelly only because it's light and I like that. So I'm just going to apply a little petroleum jelly to my face, like a little bit, just to add a little bit of kickstart moisture to my face. I'm gonna show y'all how I clean it. Let me put this, hit this right here. So the way that I clean it is you run it under water, this part, and then you just do it like this in your hand, or you can turn the little thing on and let it do like that in your hand, and that's going to clean it for you. As you can see, the bristles on it are very nice and soft. They're not hard on your face at all. That is all. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what y'all think is going on with my eye, because I don't know. I need to go to the eye doctor. But anyways, I really like this new facial exfoliator. That's what it's called. But this facial scrub, I really like it. I recommend it. And comment down below what you guys think about this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later.